A local area network, or LAN, is the plumbing which enables all your laptops, desktops and Wi-Fi mobile devices to talk to each other. It's called a local area network, well, because it's local. It's in your building. You'll often find network devices hiding under tables or in the corner of a hot, dusty cabinet where the device is slowly overheating and going slightly mad. In this article, I'm going to show you why you need to show your network some love. There are many different types of network devices which create a local area network. The most common is the Ethernet switch. This is the device that you connect to directly. Even if you are using Wi-Fi, you are still connecting to an Ethernet switch of some kind. You can often spot them hiding on the desk with blinky lights and lots of untidy Ethernet cables piled up in front of it. You may have a small dinky one for small work groups, or have big iron for connecting hundreds of users at once. Either way, the local area network is often misused, forgotten and abused. It's time to show your local area network some love. Your network is the foundation of what you do for your business and how you talk to your computers. We now demand that our networks carry voice traffic, network attached storage, IP cameras, bring your own device, guest and staff Wi-Fi and mission critical cloud services. It does not matter how great your cloud services are or how responsive your new social media 3.0 big data website is, if your network is feeling unloved, so will all your applications. Here are 3 tips to show your local area network some love. Number 1. Those switches you bought back in 1995 are not going to be able to do all the fancy new things asked of them. This is because they are likely to be a lot slower and have a lot less techie nerd knobs missing to make all the new fancy stuff work. It's time to replace those 20-year-old devices which you have plugged together over the years with some new switches which have the required nerd knobs to enable the new functionality required. Now don't run out and buy the best branded, most expensive devices, or go the other way and buy the cheapest you can find at your local supermarket. That would be stupid. I will have another article coming soon showing you how to select the correct devices. Number 2. How you plug these devices together and what nerd knobs you turn on or off is called network design. This is based on security, performance, types of devices, numbers of users and a few other things. However, this is the essence of network design, and you will need some network design, that is. Number 3. Don't forget your cables. Be kind to them. I have found cables with broken clips, crushed under the wheels of chairs, fibre cables nailed to the walls. Yes, I have seen that, and you know who you are, and other murderous things that you can do to a cable. All bad things to make your network sulk and feel sorry for itself. A well-loved and well-designed network is a major asset to your business. It is the cheapest form of bandwidth available to you. There are no fair usage policies, no penalties for going over your transfer rate, and it enables you to take advantage of the latest trends in computing. The latest trend is to move all key services outside of your LAN to the cloud. Now I have a few points of warning regarding this. Number 1. Even if you are still using cloud services, you still need a well-designed network. Depending on the service used, you could end up hairpinning your data. This is a techie term for waste of bandwidth and reduced capacity. Moving your key services outside your LAN means that your bandwidth costs will go up. Don't forget the word unlimited has taken on different meaning in modern marketing. Bandwidth costs money, and the internet providers are desperate to try and make money to cover the explosion in bandwidth consumption. They are currently fighting to change more for different services used on the internet. This argument is called network neutrality. You really need to look up on that. How will these changes affect your business if you've pushed all your key services into the cloud? Your local area network is working hard to protect your interests. Show it some love. Get in contact with us today and we can help you get the most out of your local area network.